Between the years 1996 and 1998, the synagogue underwent massive renovation. One of the things that the community wanted to do was to restore the synagogue to its original glory and to its original colors. But it had been painted over so many times and on so many occasions that it was difficult to know what was the original color of the synagogue. And so eventually we found a way to incorporate. Eventually the restoration project found a way to incorporate the various colors that had been used in the synagogue over the years. In our tradition, men wear a prayer shawl. It's known as a talit, with fringes, with strings, tzitziot, hanging off the prayer shawl. This is something that is alluded to in the Bible, and so many of our members have their own prayer shawls in their boxes, but we also provide prayer shawls for visitors or people who don't have their prayer shawl with them, so that when they enter the synagogue, they're able to take a prayer shawl, put it on, and pray with the community. And when they're finished, they put it back. The structure of the synagogue, the architecture of the synagogue, the layout of the synagogue follows the layout of the Jewish temple in Jerusalem. For example, in every traditional synagogue, the men and the women sit separately. Because in the temple in Jerusalem, the men and the women sat separately. At the center of the synagogue is what we refer to as the bima. What do we do at the bima? From the bima we read the Torah, we read the law, we read the Bible from the bima. The center of the synagogue is from the place from which we read the Torah. We chant the Torah in the ancient Hebrew chant with the ancient Hebrew melodies, and the seats around the synagogue are facing the bima, as if to say, when the law is being read, people can focus, people can concentrate on the law.
呢個猶太廟咧就係即係男性同埋女性咧係分開坐㗎啦。咁咧就女性嗰一層咧就會喺樓上嘅，我可以帶你上去睇下。其實咧女性其實入到嚟上到嚟咧冇乜特別嘅儀式要做㗎，咁就最緊要就係咧上咗嚟之後咧就自己嗱呢邊咧就會因為禮拜日譬如Shabbat嘅時候咧我哋有禮拜啦，咁通常咧我哋就會喺個書架嗰度咧就攞聖經同埋咧就攞一本祈禱嘅書啦，咁我哋就會係有兩本嘅，咁就基本上就係呢本同埋呢本，咁呢個咧就係聖經啦，咁佢裏面咧嗰個就係用英文同埋用希伯來文寫嘅，咁亦都係咧呢個就係祈禱嘅書啦，咁就係喺呢邊揭，咁亦都係咧就係祈禱咧就係希伯來文啦，咁亦都有英文嘅譯文嘅，咁就自己攞咗兩本書之後咧就揀一個自己中意嘅位坐啦，咁我通常咧就會中意坐最前嗰一排嘅。其實咧就猶太人嘅女性咧就結咗婚之後咧就佢哋就會比較會着重嗰個佢哋嗰個 modesty 啦，咁佢咧就會戴帽啊或者係戴假髮咧係遮住自己本身嘅頭髮嘅。其實女性即係好多都會照顧啲小朋友咧，咁就佢哋多數會上嚟呢一層嘅啲小朋友都，但係咧有好多小朋友咧佢哋就中意咧就係個 service 進行嘅時候咧就喺出邊踢波啊玩啊傾偈啊，咁其實都係可以嘅。 咁咧其實個儀式咧就多數就係男性去主導嘅，咁就變咗佢哋咧就會企喺中間呢個位啦，咁就會讀經啦。咁首先咧就其實咧就星期六咧佢哋就會將聖經，因為聖經其實有好多章節啦，咁就每一個禮拜咧就讀一個唔同嘅章節。咁佢哋咧就用希伯來文啦，就好流暢咁樣咧就將成個章節讀咗，即係嗰個禮拜屬於嗰個星期嘅章節咧就讀出嚟。咁而另外咧讀嗰個章節嘅時候咧，因為其實讀個章節之前咧，其實佢哋會喺你見到嗰度咧有一個嗰個 curtain 咧後邊就係所有嘅聖經咧就係擺喺裡面嘅。咁佢哋就會呢一個卷軸出嚟咧，就對住佢嚟到讀嘅。咁就係好大聲讀啦。咁讀完個聖經之餘咧，就其實同時咧我哋亦都會有喺個呢一個祈禱嗰個冊子嗰度咧，祈禱嘅書嗰度咧就會再念一啲經文咯。星期六，因為安息日咧，其實猶太人嘅安息日咧就係禮拜五嘅日落至到禮拜六嘅日落嚇，咁就所以變咗我哋嗰個禮拜咧就係星期六朝頭早。咁當然咧禮拜五咧夜晚黑，即係佢日落之前咧，咁有好多教徒咧，佢哋都會過嚟呢一度做禮拜咯。其實猶太人咧都有好多習俗啦，咁而佢哋習俗咧亦都有好多用具咧去配合佢哋嘅習俗啊或者節日嘅。咁譬如咧，你見到呢一隻碟咧，好嗰個好顏色好豐富啦。咁但係其實除咗個顏色之外咧，你睇中間嗰度咧就係有6個圓圈、6個圓形。其實咧就係呢一個碟咧就係愛嚟專係俾猶太人嘅逾越節去用嘅。咁猶太人嘅逾越節咧，其實每一年都會慶祝翻啦。咁就大概係應該係3月尾或者係4月嘅時候。咁佢哋咧就係紀念翻咧，就係以前咧就當時咧就係摩西帶猶太人離開埃及嗰個故事嘅。咁所以咧其實就係每一個圓圈咧，你就會擺一啲唔同嘅食物咧，就係紀念咧嗰陣時嗰個好辛勞、好辛苦先至可以離開奴隸制嘅猶太人，可以去到以色列咧，再尋找佢嗰個自己嘅真正嘅落腳嘅家鄉咯。猶太人咧就其實就會守安息日啦。咁安息日咧就其實係因為上帝創造咗呢個世界，咁其實佢就定咗安息日咧就係作為一個休息嘅日子，咁一個好神聖嘅日子啦。咁我哋咧就為咗要迎接安息日，咁其實咧就你見到樓上面呢度咧就有一對對嗰啲係擺係蠟燭嘅。咁我哋咧就會喺呢個習俗咧就係安息日嚟之前，即係星期五嘅日落之前咧，咁我哋咧就會點蠟燭，最少咧就係點2支去迎接安息日佢嘅嚟臨嘅。咁呢一個咧就係女性做嘅工作嚟嘅。咁就係我哋喺屋企嗰度咧就會係每一個禮拜，因為日落都唔同噶嘛，咁我哋就會記住嗰個時間，就要喺安息日之前咧就會點個蠟燭嚟到迎接安息日嘅。咁而另外咧呢個杯咧就我哋就叫做 Kiddush Cup， 咁就其實咧就會喺安息日啦，咁我哋咧就其實係一個慶祝嘅日子啦，或者一個慶祝嘅係一個慶祝啦。咁我哋咧就會飲酒啊，最主要都係要用飲葡萄酒。咁其實提子汁都可以嘅。咁我哋咧就會係倒滿一個杯嘅葡萄酒或者係葡萄籽汁啦，咁咧就去祝聖嘅。咁而下邊咧，你見到呢個咧一個個長嘅咧，其實咧裡面咧就係會擺一個卷軸，用羊皮紙寫嘅卷軸係希伯來文嚟嘅。咁其實咧就係保護嗰個屋企嘅即係一個物件嚟嘅。咁你會見到咧，好多人猶太人嘅屋企啊，或者係甚至乎係猶太人嘅辦公室咧，佢哋喺個大門嘅，你會見到你入去嗰個建築物嘅時候，或者係嗰個單位嘅時候咧，你會見到大門斜斜地咧就會有呢一個嘅用具嘅。咁呢一個咧就其實咧就叫做 Mezuzah， 即係佢係紀念嗰陣時咧，亦都係摩西帶猶太人咧離開埃及嘅時候咧，佢係紀念咧嗰陣時用血，即係用羊血咧喺嗰個猶太人嗰個門口嗰度咧做一個記號，等到死神咧就會掠過咗佢屋企，就唔會係嗰個災害咧就唔會影響佢哋嘅。 我入咗猶太教啦，都有一段日子啦，10幾年啦，咁但係就好彩或者唔好彩咧，幾年之前其實我就同我先生分開咗嘅。咁有啲人咧都問我，因為其實我當時咧係為咗佢入猶太教啦。咁究竟呢一個宗教嚟講，對我嚟講，咁呢段婚姻維持唔到啦，咁我會點樣保留落去咧？咁其實因為我自己都有2個小朋友，我亦都咧係俾佢哋喺猶太人嘅學校讀書。咁我當然就係希望咧，其實唔係話因為我同某一個人分開咗，而我自己個宗教對個宗教嘅關係咧係會斷絕咗啦。咁我亦都係當然，我亦都係希望我2個小朋友佢哋會係繼續係向呢一個猶太教或者呢個猶太文化或者係猶太個哲學嗰度咧個方向咧，就係繼續佢嘅人生旅程啦。咁而另外咧，就因為其實係猶太教嚟講咧，就係對於我嚟講，我就會覺得當然佢有自己嘅精神啦，有佢嘅哲學啦。咁亦都係我係喺一個比較沉迷，即係我係會係好想去學習更加深入嘅。咁因為佢一個係我覺得係一個好同人性化係好有關嘅一個宗教。咁我亦都係希望咧，將我即係嗰個猶太人嘅智慧咧，咁我係可以將佢係介紹俾多啲人識啦。咁所以咧，其實我而家譬如做一啲藝術，即係做一啲藝術作品嘅時候咧，就係我用視覺嘅藝術咧，係將嗰個猶太人嘅文化同埋中國人嘅文化，大家去比較啦，做一個融合啦。咁我希望咧，就將一個精神，即係將我哋人咧係可以即係包容其他唔同嘅